You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up at the end of this video, including brand names. The French pronunciation of this name of French origin is as Gervais. The J in France, it's pronounced je, right? Not je. And the S is silent here. Gervais. Gervais is the French pronunciation, so the English pronunciation would be Gervais. Or it sometimes has a surname pronounced as Gervais. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.